if that is a reference. Now, this is Roxanne, and this is a G minor. Now, I'm playing it like I showed you the first time last week.
Yeah.
But what I'm going to do, let's also do it like that. If I'm not doing doing that kind of extra bass stuff, I'm doing it more like the song. But when in ways that what doing that does is it makes it a little bit harder because you actually have to make sure you don't make those two notes ring out because you don't want to get that's so cool sounding, right?
Yeah.
So I'll put my thumb over the top to help that stop. So it's kind of up to you however you want to do it. Now, the next chord is that F6. But you're not going to really want to do the bottom on there. You can do it with your thumb. But next chord is real similar, and it's actually it's really the same fingering except for the bass note is that. And even though Andy Summers, the guitar player, is just not playing that, I'm gonna say play it because it sounds like. It's kind of a different sound than. So you can't really tell the difference. So you have this G minor, F6, E flat major 7.
G minor and F6 are basically the same thing.
No, take a look. G minor here, F6.
Oh.
And then this E flat major 7 and the F6, the only actual difference in the chord is whether that note's in there or not. Now, there's actually another note that I'm not playing that will be in there too that sort of distinguishes it more, but don't worry about it. Okay, next chords, if you look here, they're real similar. This is D minor. And you see the next one? Just kind of watch it because I'm going to try to send you this video in a second. This one's C minor 7. So the only difference between these two chords is the fret, and you just lift your pinky up. Okay, and then the last two chords are the same. They're just different frets, and this is an F. So you have a 7 sus4,
Yeah.
and this is a G sus4. So I'll play it, or we can say it about later. We'll come back to that part. There's actually sort of another part at the end of the verse, sort of a pre-chorus.